In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move to archive in Proton Mail. Archiving is a quick way to clean up your inbox without deleting anything. Think of it as putting messages you've already handled into storage so they're out of sight, but still easy to find later. Start by opening Proton Mail in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, you'll land on the main mailbox view. To make sure we're all looking at the same place, glance to the left-hand sidebar and select Inbox. This ensures you're viewing the list of messages you want to clean up. Now find the email you want to archive. Move your mouse pointer over that message in the list. As you hover, Proton Mail reveals a row of quick action icons along the right side of that message. These icons appear only when you hover, so don't worry if you didn't see them at first. Look for the archive option there. Depending on your theme, it may be an icon that shows a box or a container, and if you pause your mouse over it for a moment, you'll usually see a tooltip that says Archive. Click the archive icon. The message will immediately disappear from your inbox. That's expected, and it's a good sign that the archive action worked. Remember, archiving does not delete the message. It simply moves it out of your inbox and into your archive, keeping your email organized while preserving the content. To confirm the message is safely stored, return to the left-hand side panel. Scroll if needed and click Archive. This opens your archive folder where you'll see the message you just moved. If you have many messages, you can use the search bar at the top to find it by sender, subject, or keyword. The message retains its labels and attachments, and it can be opened, replied to, forwarded, or moved again at any time. A couple of helpful tips as you get comfortable with this workflow. Archiving is ideal for messages you've read and don't need to act on immediately, but want to keep for reference. If you accidentally archive the wrong message, simply open it from archive and move it back to the inbox or to any other folder you prefer. And if the icons don't appear when you hover, try moving the pointer slightly left or right on the message row until they show up. That's all there is to it. Open Proton Mail, go to your inbox, hover over the message, click the archive icon, and verify it in the archive folder. Clean inbox, nothing lost.